Hey guys, this is Simon with Trade and Perform Coaching. Wanted to go over really quickly where our trades went off for swing trades today, where we got our signal, how the market played out for the day. So as you can see, we came in, we had a gap down. Market drove lower out of the gate, and if you look, this looked really familiar to the gap down we had not too many days ago, right? This was here on the 12th. We gapped down, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people thought, wow, here we go again. We're going to have a hard drive to the downside. I know I certainly was concerned out of the gate. This is where the swing indicator really comes in handy. We get swing indicator comes in long right here about 5 minutes prior to the econ at the top of the hour, and gives us a heads up right away. We don't want to try to press our shorts here, and we're looking for a long entry right out of the gate. And we also knew, and this is really helpful, right? You have so many people who look to short the half gap, which came in right here. We knew right away not to short the half gap. Several people in the room took the trade to the long side, and as you can see, from the time that the trade was triggered and we were trading at roughly 2076, before we got another short signal, the market rotated all the way up to 2096, 20 points to the upside. Hard to argue or say anything else about that. That's just freaking awesome. When you are on the right side of the trade, you know not to short, you don't get run over, and if it fit your trade plan, you have the long side trade. Yeah, that's well, it's awesome. I don't know what else to say about that. Then the end of the day, right? We swing all the way up to the high, and we get a swing short. Now, this was a little bit tougher. We had the open gap sitting right above. I follow the trade plan either way, whether it gives me a long or a short. I look for my setups. I actually triggered in at 2096.25 short. There's 4 potential entries each time we get a swing long or swing short trigger. We got one scale for 1 point, and then the balance obviously pushed and stopped out here at the end of the day, but I'm all right with that. Look, look at the risk reward here. On this trade, your stop is 1 point above the high. That's 2.5 points of loss, right? And we got a scale. We got one 1 point scale, right? Here, your long is at 2076. Let's say it's 2076.25, right? Your stop is 1 point below the low. That's 2073.75. Again, basically 2.5 points, and your risk reward to the upside is 20 points. Kind of golden. So we've been on a roll. End of the day trade wasn't that fantastic, but the risk reward was great, and importantly, we followed our trade plan. So anyways, my name is Simon. I'm with Trade and Perform Coaching. We do this every day. The proprietary swing indicator that I use in the room really helps guide us, and the support resistance zones bring a little bit more definition into where we're taking trades and how we're taking trades. So if you'd like to learn how to be a successful trader, a consistent day trader in either the futures or the spiders, the S&P 500 ETF, please come join us. You can send me an email at tradeandperform@gmail.com. I hope everyone had a wonderful day. I hope everyone caught it on the upside and didn't get hurt too bad if you took a short at any point today. Hopefully you took a short after the swing indicator triggered and nowhere in between, because otherwise the shorts really experienced a lot of pain if they were playing for a replay of what we had a couple of days ago. Also, one last note, you'll notice 2080, I put overnight. Below 2080, sellers are in control. Above 2080, buyers are in control, and that came to full fruition. Have a good night, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow.